Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So in today's video I am going to show you how to make mutton brain masala, which turns out super unique and delicious. So right now I am heating up the pan and first adding onions. I will fry them until they turn light golden. And in between I am adding a little salt so that the onions fry faster. Alright, so I have added the salt and now I am turning the flame a bit high to fry the onions. Once they turn golden, I will add the tomatoes to it. The tomatoes have turned red. I have added them in and now I am adding a little ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and chili powder. I will fry everything together nicely. This brain masala turns out super tasty. You all should definitely try it at home. At this stage, I am adding a little water and some green chilies to it. Sorry, we are not using green chili here. Instead, we need to add coriander leaves some. Now that all the ingredients are ready, finally we need to add the boiled mutton brain broken into pieces into this. Now after adding all the spices and the brain, we need to cook this for just 5 minutes on a slow flame. And keep cooking until the water dries up. It may take around then 10 minutes. After that, our mutton brain masala will be ready to eat. Our brain masala is ready now. If you cook the brain without boiling it first, it tends to break a bit in the masala. Boiling it beforehand help the pieces stay intact while cooking. I am sure you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.